Hey guys, welcome back to CS Corner. Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to install PyCharm IDE and I'm going to show you how to run your Python program using it. So by the end of this video, your Python code will be running right here inside your PyCharm IDE on your Windows machine. So just follow along with me. So guys, for running Python program, we need Python. So if you don't have Python installed in your system, I have given my video link in description box. You can follow that and install Python. I'm just opening my command prompt to show you what versions of Python I'm having. So here simply I'm opening CMD and I'm typing Python hyphen version, and this is the Python version which I'm having. Whatever Python version you are having, you can just check it out whether Python is installed or not. If not, please install it. So guys, I have just started my browser and here I'm simply searching for PyCharm, and here you can see the official website of JetBrains. You need to simply click on this download link. Now guys, it will redirect you to this page, and here you can see cookies are shown, just accept it. And here PyCharm ID is shown. So we can click on this download button and you can see it's showing message, thank you for downloading PyCharm, and my download has been started. So guys, the download is done. Now I'm going to click on this exe to start the installation. Guys, here it will ask you permission, so just click on yes button, and now here you can see the screen. Here we need to click on next button. So this is the installation location where your PyCharm IDE will be installed. If you wish to change, you can click on browse button, otherwise click on next button. And guys, here select the first check mark, create a shortcut on desktop PyCharm. So just select that and click on next button. Now here you need to simply click on install button and your installation will start. It will take a while, so please wait for it. So guys, my installation is completed. Here it's showing me this screen. We have a checkbox. If you want to start PyCharm immediately, you can check mark this and click on finish button. Otherwise, shortcut is created on desktop. You can start with that shortcut also. So I'm just selecting it and clicking on finish button. And here you can see my PyCharm ID has been started. And here it's showing me user agreement, so just check mark and click on continue button. Now here guys, it is showing me this screen, data sharing, so I'm going to select don't send. So guys, this is welcome screen of PyCharm. Here you can create your project, you can open your project, you can do everything over here. Guys, now I will show you how to create Python project and how to run it. So just click on this new button and here select new project option. So you will get this window. Here it's showing location where your project will be created. If you want to change, you can click on this folder icon and change. And now here if you want welcome script, then you can check mark, or if you want git repository, you can check mark. I don't want to do that, so I'm unchecking that. And now under Python version, it's showing me my Python which is installed in my system. So here it is showing me that, so it is going to take whatever Python install, that interpreter it will take. So simply you need to click on this create button. And now guys, here it's showing me this screen, so I'm going to just cross it. My firewall is blocking something, so I'm just going to allow it. So it will ask some permission, I'm going to click it. Okay, so now we will create a Python file inside it. So guys, just select this .venv folder and right click and select this new option and Python file. Now it will ask you Python file name, so provide the name. I'm giving name as hello and hitting enter. So you can see hello.py file has been created. Now whatever code you want to write, you just write it and save it. So I'm simply printing one message here. So my code is done. Just press Ctrl S, or you can go to file menu and you can save your project. So after saving project, now let's run. So to run your project, you can simply click on this play button at the top, or you can right click and you can select option run file name. So run hello.py, and guys, you can see the output over here. So this way guys, you can download and install PyCharm IDE and you can create your Python project and run it. So I conclude my video. I hope guys by following my video you are really able to install PyCharm and run your Python project successfully. So guys, if my video has really helped you, don't forget to hit on like button, share my video with your friend, and if you have any query you can write in comment box or you can send me on my IG also. And guys, you can visit my website for various tutorials, and I'm having another channel, Code with Sunita in Hindi. There I'm sharing tutorials in Hindi. Certainly you can visit that. All my social media link I have given in description box. You can certainly visit that. And guys, if you are new to this channel and if you are not subscribed this channel, do subscribe. So guys, simply click on that red color subscribe button. You don't have to pay anything for you, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications from my channel. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, bye bye. Take care. Keep watching and keep learning, guys.